Hi folks, I am Sandeep Ban from Jaipur Institute of Management. I am going to cover a presentation as a part of my course, Professional Spoken Communication. The company I am talking about took 6 years to deliver its first vehicle, a company that overthrew the number one automobile maker in the world, Toyota, a company that was not able to finance itself and has to raise a loan from the government, a company that made its owner the number one richest person in the world. Now, by now, you might have guessed the name right. And if you are not, let me tell you, I'm talking about Tesla, the number one automobile electric vehicle maker in the world right now. Now, let's, before dwelling into the company, look at the overview of the electric vehicles industry. Talking about the overview of the electrical vehicles industry, they're booming and they're expected to grow at a rate of 21.3% CAGR by 2030. And Tesla is all set to make its impact on the world right now, entire globe. Tesla is also, as you know, might be knowing as well that Tesla recently launched itself into India as well, and it is making huge factories in different countries and different sectors or different countries around the world so that it could make electric car manufacturers. Already, it is a leading car manufacturer in US, and now it attains or things to do the same in India as well. And there are a lot of other companies that are doing the same. As for example, Tata is making electric vehicles in US. Mercedes and the big renowned brands like BMW also started making electric vehicles in there. Now, Lord, let's talk about Tesla. Tesla is an electric car maker company, and under its hood, it also has renewable energy sources where it makes solar panels. But basically, here I would be talking about only the electric vehicle part of the company. Now, talking about the main key members of the company, many people think that Elon Musk was the founder of the Tesla company, but that is not so. Elon Musk is the CEO of the company. He did not found the company. I repeat that again. Elon Musk did not found the Tesla company. Basically, the main founders of Tesla company were Mark Tarpenning at the left-hand side and Martin at the right-hand side. Whereas, as you can see in the middle, Elon Musk, he was an investor in the company. Basically, he sold his SpaceX, sorry, not SpaceX. He basically sold his payments gateway and e-payment gateway in 1995, which he started, and the proceeds that he gained from there, he invested half of that money in Tesla, and he started one of his own company, SpaceX. That is a different story. We would cover it some other time. Now, Elon Musk, after coming to the company, gained a major position in the company because he was the major stakeholder in the company. And since then, many people think that he is the founder of the company, which is not the case. Company was basically founded by Mark Tarpenning and Martin, and Elon Musk came as a funding member later on. Now let's have a look at the history of the company. The company started in 2003 and was not doing really well. And Elon Musk, seeing the potential that the electric vehicles will dominate the world around 20 years from then, this was the case in 2004. He he has gained the money from the sales proceeds of his online company's X Payments that was later named as PayPal. Many of you might be knowing PayPal as a payment gateway. Then he used the money to fund this Tesla. In 2004, enters Elon Musk, and in 2005, Tesla produces first prototype of the electric car, and the company was readily investing in the R&D, and there was a lot of money pumping into the company. And Eberhard resigns as CEO. That was since the company started in 2006, and Elon Musk took his position. And in 2008, the production started really. But at that around 2009, the founder of the company, Tarpin, sued Elon Musk that he had taken over the company, and he filed a lawsuit. But he later on withdrew the lawsuit as well. But around the 2009 year, the company almost was on the verge of bankruptcy, but due to the schemes of the US government, they were able to raise a fund. And in 2003, Tesla delivered its first electric vehicle, which was named Roadster. The Tesla's first profitable quarter came in 2013. In 2019, Elon Musk unveiled the Cyber, and which was mainly a rough terrain car and was not basically focused on the normal people. And in 2020, the Tesla stock rose, and as I told you in the beginning, that it made the Elon Musk the number one richest person for some time in the world. Now let's have a look at the marketing strategy of Tesla, because we all know it is not possible to become a number one company, that too in such a short span of time. Tesla is known to use the online media very well. And on the right hand side, you can see from the graphic that there has been a consistent rise in the Tesla sales since 2013. In 2013, Tesla was able to deliver a minimum number of its vehicles, and Tesla was mainly focused on electric vehicles that was sporty and was mainly focused on the rich segment of the society. Tesla at that time did not focus on making car products that could help normal people like you and me, a middle class people, to use the products. And Tesla has never seen back since then. As you can see from the graphic that is taken from Statista, that sales rose by leaps and bounds and crossed the 1 million mark in 2020. And Tesla overthrew Toyota, the #1 car maker in the world, and became the most valuable automobile company in the world. And even the major car manufacturing companies in the world, like BMW, like Mercedes, even they have started making electric vehicles. And now that Tesla decided to come in India, even Tata is making electric vehicles. Now you can see the vision of the founder and the vision of Elon Musk, who believed in the company and pumped half of his money, half of the money that he got from selling the PayPal payment size startup, that the company was doing so much great right now. Now, the unique marketing strategy of Tesla is that Tesla uses cross promotion strategies. As I told you, that SpaceX is the company owned by Elon Musk and his own company, his own startup. Basically, Tesla, when launched a rocket in the space, they used a Tesla car and they sent that into space with the rocket. Now, cross promotional strategies, as I told you, basically SpaceX is a space company that sends rockets into space, and Elon Musk used one of his car to send into the space, and that generated a lot of publicity for the company. That is called cross promotional strategies, when the actions of one company garners and gains attention for some other company, and uses social media to create a presence. Tesla knows very well how to do that, because our generation and today's most of the population is very heavily using social media, and Tesla definitely has a presence. Tesla has 7.8 million and more, even growing day by day, number of followers on Instagram, its own page. Tesla do not spend anything on marketing strategies like the conventional ways, TV advertising, media advertising, or anything like that. Their overall marketing budget is zero. Yes, you heard it right. Their marketing budget is a big zero. And using the image of CEO on social media, I can clearly say that Elon Musk is very active on Twitter. He's well known for his tweets, and we have largely followed by the people as well on the social media. And Tesla has used the CEO's image as a major funnel to generate sales for the company. And we're talking about the marketing strategy, Tesla do not have majorly through online, and they do not spend anything on marketing strategy majorly through online, and they do not have a presence as such. But recently they have started opening some stores as well in major or selected areas of the city. Now let's have a look at the opportunities for Tesla in future. Now the Tesla enjoys the #1 brand awareness in the world right now. As you can see from the infographic, Tesla as an electric vehicle or as an automobile maker is known by 81% of the population. Now, the Tesla is looking for global expansion, as Tesla in this year has started expanding its fleet in India as well, and by 2020 it would be starting production as well. As you might have come across the news that it set up its first gigafactory in Bangalore. Now, there is Cybertruck also garnered a major number of pre-sale events that was there once it launched that Cybertruck. And the Tesla enjoys an established brand name, not in just in Tesla that makes electric cars. Tesla is well known and garnered by electric or renewable sources like the solar panels as well. Now let's have a look at the challenges faced by the company. Now the Elon Musk is very well known for making promises on certain deadlines that are humanly impossible to meet, and the production promises are rarely kept. Now this can have a negative impact for the company, because a person who says that he will deliver on a particular date and is not able to deliver, definitely that gives a negative impact on the company. And Elon Musk is rarely known to keep up his promises. As well, he said that he will deliver the Roadster, the first Tesla company, in 2009 or 10, and it really came in 2013. So he's always delaying the production, and that is a really great challenge faced by the company. Now the managing condition is also becoming difficult day by day. As I said you, that the major car companies like BMW, Mercedes, they're also coming and making their car manufacturing in the electric vehicle sector. And now Tesla is definitely going to face competition from these. Okay, except that Tesla has come faster. It has a first mover advantage, but these companies have a brand name that was far before established before Tesla. Now managing the company spendings, the company is well known to spend on R&D a large amount of money. Now they have to take care that they spend their money intelligently, because as they have now a listed company, they have to take care of the shareholders as well. Now, talking about and getting on the conclusion, Tesla is a still growing company, and its stocks rises are still on path. Tesla is the leading electric manufacturer in the world right now, and Tesla is up to make a mark on the world. And Tesla is being led by Elon Musk, who is well known in the world like a visionary, and he's definitely done justice to the company as well. So that is all from my side. Thank you so much.